Hello everyone, welcome to assignment 2.5. I will be doing this this worksheet question says, predict the result of evaluating the following expressions. And so expressions are basically, can range from math problems to percentages to equations and to true or false boolings and etc. And so I've got my shell and I've got my file editor, which I'm going to name. I'm going to save as worksheet 2.5 Python. And I usually like to save in my documents, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And here you go, it's saved. And so once again, I'm going to take a look at this, maybe minimize it a bit so we can, let me see if I can try to fit this in. Very small. Okay, so you know what, I'm going to do something. I'm going to make this wider first of all, and then I'm going to copy. Oh, I can't. So it won't let me copy, so we'll just have to work with what we have. So let's go back to point. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna do this, okay? And so we've got x, assigning the variable x to parentheses 3 plus 2, and we've got the double stars, and the double stars is to the power of 2, so whatever 3 plus 2 is will be raised to the power of 2 plus 1. So right there we set our variable, which is x, to the answer of that expression. And so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to print x, and I'm going to comment the answer to this. So I'm just going to do the math real quick. 3 plus 2 is 5 to the second power is 25 plus 1, which is 26. So this is 26. So then I'm gonna wait till I finish to test everything out, just so I get some practice. So now we are reassigning that variable, which is right here, 26, the variable that we in turn got from this expression, 26. So x is 26 now. So we're saying x, which is 26, divided by 2. So because I know the answer, which is 13, then I'm also going to print x. Okay, so actually let's see if it is going to work, because I might have made a simple mistake, but it's no problem. This is what we're learning. So I'm going to save this file, and then so I'm going to save and run module. Okay, so it is working. So far so good. And notice that when I divided 26 divided by 2, it gave me a float, which is what it's supposed to do. So number 2 now is a equals 2, assigning a to a variable, which is 2, b equals 3, and then finally x. The final expression is 4 times b minus a. So b minus a would make it 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, times 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So print x. That will give us 4. And then for the next one, we're making a equals a plus 1. And then b equals b minus 1. Okay. So remember we assigned a and b to 2 and 3. So right now for the first one, we're saying 2 plus 1, which is 3, and b, which is 3, 3 minus 1, which is 2. So x, we're going to print x. And because I'm smarter than this computer, I know for a fact that it won't work out because this expression or equations don't have anything to do with x. So basically saying we happen to assign x to neither of these. So the computer's going to be confused and give us an error. So I'm just going to write here, error not defined, which is the message we'll get soon as to, let's finally save and, I keep making this mistake. Save and run, which, great. And it printed 4 because it's still thinking that it's connected to this one. But let's say we comment this out. Let's see it again. Yes, I'll save. Alright, that is it, guys. This third one is for sure just gonna print 4. It won't print error, but it won't have anything to do with this, which is what I really meant. So thank you for joining me. Appreciate it. Thank you.